Is it necessary to wash meat before cooking? Some say it's essential, while others say it's a big no. Today, we're diving into the facts, myths, and best practices to settle this debate once and for all. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the official recommendation. According to the USDA and CDC, you should not wash raw meat before cooking. Surprised? Here's why. When you wash your meat, water can splash harmful bacteria like Salmonella or Campylobacter onto your sink, countertops, and even nearby foods. This is called cross-contamination, and it increases the risk of foodborne illnesses. The good news? You don't need to wash meat to make it safe. Proper cooking to the right internal temperature kills all those harmful bacteria. For example, chicken should be cooked to a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius, and beef to 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius with a resting time. A meat thermometer is your best friend here. But what about blood, residue, or that slimy texture? Many people wash meat to clean it or remove odors, but here's the thing, it doesn't actually get rid of bacteria. Instead, you can pat the meat dry with a paper towel before cooking. It is safer and can even help you get a better sear. Now we know that in some cultures, washing meat is a traditional practice. For example, rinsing meat or fish with vinegar or lime juice is common in certain recipes. So, what's the takeaway? Washing meat isn't really necessary and might even carry some risks. It's better to focus on handling it with care, cooking it thoroughly, and keeping your kitchen clean. So, do you wash your meat, or are you team cook it as is? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food science content. Bye.